Hey folks, it's Keith, Victor Echo 3 Sierra Victor Quebec, also known as the Shaky Key, back with another practice session for you. This will be a much longer one than some of the others, a lot more copying down. It will be one half of an exchange, essentially. So, similar to what I did with the POTA one, sort of by the time you were finished sort of decoding that one, you more or less know what you have to say in POTA. So this will be another one. I'll give you the answer later. For some of you, if you find it fast, you can always on YouTube slow the video down a little bit. But I suggest you just do it at whatever speed it is. It's a long one, so I expect even my speed will fluctuate on occasions as well, because that's what happens in real life. So I want you to set this up as the following. I have contacted someone. They have come back to me. They have given me all the information that I need. And at this point in time now, I'm going to respond to them. So that's the stage we're at. And just see, like I say, how much can you copy? So here we go. Like I say, I'm responding to someone at this point. So at this point, there's a bit of back and forth, and then sort of wrap it up. So it was me wrapping up my end of the conversation. And at this point, I would then send their call sign, DE, my call sign, and of course, end it. There you go. So if you manage to copy that, see how you go. Let me know what you think. See how you do on that one. Let me know how you think. It's a good one. It's one that you may actually come across somewhere when you're first on the air, and it might throw you a little bit when you see the information that's being requested. It's Keith, Victor Echo 3, Sierra Victor Quebec, also known as the Shaky Key. If you like this video, if you had a little bit of fun, please comment down below, subscribe, like, and so on. The more you do that, the more YouTube pushes these videos out to other new CW students. 73. Have a great day.